Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
Since resources are used to track who and what was used to complete a given task within a project file, the first type of resource that you will learn to create is also the most commonly used, the work resource. You create work resources to indicate who completes task work within a project file and what equipment they need to complete the task. Note that people resources can either be specific, such as a specific person with a unique or necessary skill that's required to accomplish a task, for example, a John Doe, or they can be general, such as the name of a general type of worker that's required to complete a task, for example, a writer or an electrician. Either way, you enter the work resources, their availability, and their associated cost as a resource within your project file. In a later chapter, you will then learn how to assign these resources to the tasks within a project and let Microsoft Project schedule their work assignments as needed. So first switch the view of your project file to the Resource Sheet view to see any resources entered into a project file. Now this view allows you to enter, edit, and delete project resources. Just as when you are entering tasks, you have a few options in the method used to enter project resources. One way is to simply click into the next available blank row in the Resource Sheet view and then enter the desired resource information directly into the cells that are shown. Note that you must select Work from the Type drop-down to classify the resource that you create as a work resource. You can then enter any additional detailed data that you need to record for the resource, such as the standard rate or the overtime rate. Now another way to create a work resource is to simply double-click in the next available blank row, or click into the next available blank row, and then click the Resource Information button that appears in the Properties button group on the Resource tab within the ribbon to enter the resource details into the Resource Information dialog box that then appears. The Resource Information dialog box provides all of the available options for resource creation in Microsoft Project. So first you would enter a name for the resource into the resource name field. You can also enter a group to which this resource belongs by typing your desired group into the group field. This allows you to sort and categorize resources if desired. Next, you would select Work from the Type drop-down. That will indicate that this is a work resource. You can then enter any other desired project resource information into the General tab shown, and then click the OK button within the Resource Information dialog box to save the resource.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.